Reddit stock has just capped off a remarkable week, closing Friday at $215.44, up another 1.7% on the week and more than doubling from just a month ago. This rally isn't random. It's powered by more than just earnings. It's about narrative, about Reddit's ambitions to become less of a discussion platform and more of a go-to AI-powered search destination. The foundation of this move starts with the latest quarterly earnings. In the second quarter, Reddit posted $500 million in revenue, marking a 78% year-over-year increase, and delivered net income of $89 million, its most profitable quarter ever. That's a turnaround from a year prior when the company was reporting losses. Advertisers have been responding in a big way, with ad revenue soaring 84%, supported by AI-enhanced targeting and new advertiser tools. Daily active users also rose 21% to reach 110 million, helped along by a 32% uplift in international engagement. Looking ahead, Reddit guided third-quarter revenue between $535 million and $545 million, well ahead of the $473 million analysts had projected. That's not just a beat, it's a confident signal to the market that growth momentum is set to continue. But the numbers alone aren't what's getting so much attention. What's making headlines is Reddit doubling down on becoming a destination for search powered by AI, fueled by real conversations. Chief Executive Officer Steve Huffman has been clear about the company's strategic shift, repurposing Reddit as an AI-powered search platform, not just a forum. A unified search bar featuring Reddit answers is now at the center of the app experience, a move designed to convert the traffic driven by search intent into native engagement. Reddit Answers, the AI-powered conversational tool, has exploded in usage, growing from 1 million to 6 million weekly users in just a single quarter. That kind of adoption rate tells you people want quick, AI-generated summaries of the most relevant discussions on the platform. And it's not just about keeping traffic inside Reddit. The company is finding new ways to monetize its vast archive of content. Licensing deals with AI firms like Google and OpenAI generated $35 million in what Reddit calls other revenue, up 24% from last year. As AI search tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini pull from sources to provide answers, Reddit content is being cited more than ever. That positions Reddit as a key data provider in the AI ecosystem. This is exactly the kind of narrative Wall Street likes. Reddit's story has caught the attention of major analysts. Truist and Raymond James have both raised their price targets to $225, citing a clear roadmap for monetization and increased search prominence. Morgan Stanley and Guggenheim are among other firms backing Reddit's growth outlook, which only fuels bullish sentiment further. So why now? What's changed that's caused this recent spike? The short version is that earnings built credibility. The AI and data narrative has given investors a fresh lens for valuing the company, and execution has shown up in the form of user growth, global reach, new tools, and actual revenue from AI partnerships. All of that is happening while analysts line up behind the story. That said, this isn't without risk. Reddit's valuation is rich, with a trailing price-to-earnings ratio north of 120. That leaves very little margin for error. The business still relies heavily on advertising, and while licensing and AI tools are promising, they have to scale meaningfully to truly diversify revenue. There's also the challenge of executing on this vision. Rolling out a search-first experience, keeping user trust, and integrating AI without alienating core communities is not an easy balance. And of course, macroeconomic risks remain. If the market rotates out of tech or AI names, high multiple stocks like Reddit can take a hit. For anyone following the stock from here, there are a few things worth watching. First, volume and price action. Holding above the $210 level with strong volume would signal continued conviction. Second, what analysts do next. More upgrades could act as fuel for another move higher, but any downgrades could trigger consolidation. Third, how Reddit creates new monetization pathways. Expanding licensing deals, rolling out premium features, or building specialized ad products tied directly to AI tools would all help validate the long-term thesis. And finally, the success of their search upgrade. The company will need to show that more people are using Reddit search and AI features, and that they're sticking around longer as a result. It's also worth keeping an eye on the broader tech sentiment. AI names have been volatile, and sector-wide moves can pull Reddit along for the ride in either direction. At the heart of this story is a transformation. Reddit is evolving from a quirky online forum into a data-rich search and AI platform. Closing the week at $215 reflects growing investor conviction that this isn't just a meme stock style pump, but a company stepping into a new role in the digital economy. Whether it can deliver on that promise will depend on execution, continued innovation, and its ability to turn attention into sustained revenue growth. So as we wrap up this week, it's fair to say Reddit has done more than just ride a wave of hype. It's put up solid numbers, presented a bold vision for the future, and given both retail traders and institutional investors something tangible to latch onto. The stock's path from here will hinge on whether it can keep that momentum alive, build out its AI-powered search strategy, and prove that this new chapter is more than just a headline. What do you think? Can Reddit keep climbing from here, or is it due for a breather? Where do you see this stock by the end of the year?